Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul. I've done this video like 4 or 5 times. I don't know what's going on. My videos keep getting turned into 5-second sound bites and stuff. I don't know what's going on. It's messing up all my videos. It's so weird, so I'm having to do stuff over again. So I don't know if I got everything pulled back out. I'm going to stick in a clip from a video that I made earlier in the month. They got messed up or corrupted or whatever, disappeared. I don't know what's going on, but anyway, so I'm going to put that in right now, and then you can see that. So it's going to be 2 cups. One is for my daughter and no sound on it. You just see some pictures of that one, and then because she's already gone with the cup, but you'll see the cup, and then I come in with the clip of me showing you my cup that my friend Crystal made, and I have her information in the description box, and her name is Crystal. For Crystal Creations in Williamsburg. She's a new channel and new YouTuber, and she makes handcrafted stuff as well as natural soaps and cups and different things, as well as paper crafting. But you'll see the cup she made for my daughter's business and for mine, and then I'll be right back to redo this haul from Michael's and Walmart. Alright, so I got my cup in. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So I just putting this on the end or middle or wherever it's at in the video of my cup that I had my same friend do, Crystal. Her link and information will be down below. So I have sent her my logo. She put me some bling on the end, and then bam, she put a D for Dawn up there. And it actually says Dawn, D-A-W-N, inside of the D. She put my name. You can see that as well. Boom, so I am excited. I'm legit. Look at that. Bam, bam. I don't know, I just love it. So anyway, check her out. You want custom cup, she can do it for you. So, yay. You know how these cups work, so this is officially my craft room cup. Boom. Only thing I was talking about, I said this is going to be shown in my video. I told her that, but I forgot, you're going to be seeing it from that angle, so you won't be able to see it from this angle. So I'm going to leave it empty when I do the video so you can see it. Anyway, so now I'm sticking this in the middle of the other video, so then I'll be back to the rest of the video in just a second. Alright, so I am back. Hopefully those clips made it. And I don't remember everything that's supposed to be in here, but I did get these necklace and earring cards from Michael's. And of course you can put your jewelry on it, your dangles and different things like that. And that's what I got these for. I got some more of the bobbin pins from Walmart. And you know, you can put, of course, washi on it, floss, different kinds of things, you know, for gifting or whatever. I got me another monthly budget plan. Of course, it's a new year, how we all do. We all start out, but I am going to get serious this year, so I'm going to get back to writing it down. When I write it down, I am more serious. So, yeah, going to be doing that in the new year. Well, I'm not going to say I'm not going to have a haul. I'm not going to say that, but I am going to cut back. Like I said, we'll be doing hauls from Creative Memories, because that is my online business, one of them. So I will be purchasing some things from there, but I'm not going to be doing as many hauls as I did previously. That's my goal anyway, but I'm going to track it. You know, I have room in my budget, but I'm going to work on that. This I got from Walmart. These is a pack, and I already opened them up, but these are the 12x12 sheets. You actually use these, put like plates in and dishes and stuff like that, but I'm using them because they are 12x12. They can fit a scrapbook layout, so if I'm selling some of those, I can use these to wrap them in. And then last but not least, because I will be selling things on my DaretoBeCreative shop, is these paper pads that I got from Michael's. They were all on sale for $4.99. I was in a different city, out of town, and I picked these up because I hadn't seen these at my, well, I may have, I don't know. But I picked them up that day because it was $4.99. And these are the shimmer one. So of course you're going to get 4 of each color. And you're going to get 6 colors. And you may not be able to see the colors as well, but that's them right there. And then this is the spring glitter. Again, 24 sheets, 4 of each color. And you look at that close, you can see that in there, the glitter. And then this is the glitter rainbow. More of your fall, a little darker colors, more bolder colors, shall I say. As you can see, they show up better in the lighting. And just if I didn't show this, I don't remember I did it close. That's the sheen that you get from the pearlescent kind of a look from the shimmer. So that is my haul. I think that's everything. I don't know. But anyway, if it's something new, something I didn't show you, you'll see it in the video. So anyway, don't know when this video is going to be up. Probably around New Year's, maybe. So anyway, Happy New Year. Blessings. And if it's up before then, yeah, I doubt it because I redid so many videos. I don't know what order this is going to be in. But anyway, take care. Be safe. God bless. And I dare you to be creative. Take care.